Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. YouTube will change your life. It will give you the opportunity to meet up with new people, make new connections. It'll give you the opportunity to network with other content creators. It'll give you the opportunity to build certain teams. You know, a lot of times we feel like when we're working, we have to work alone. But what I found out in my channel and along my experiences, I don't have to do this alone. I can build a team to work with. As a matter of fact, this company right here, Alio.ai, they're a coaching service. They reached out to me. They found one of my YouTube videos and they reached out to me and wanted to partner with me. And right now we're not able to work out all the details in that, but I wanted to share this as an example of how when you begin to get on the platform, doing what you love to do, there's a powerful way for you to meet other people. And this guy right here, Dylan, I met him, did a Zoom call with him, and that's a connection that I probably never would have made. Never would have made that connection had it not been for my influence on YouTube. So that's just another way. YouTube will change your life. It'll give you that opportunity to meet new people, reach out and connect with others, building a team, taking yourself to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next level mindset in everything that we do. By the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay empowered and inspired together. We would love to have you here as a part of Next Level. So now I've got some bonus points that I want to share with you. But first, if you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can show your appreciation with a Cash App donation, a super thanks, super chat, take my books home with you, buy a coffee, any way you want to do it. There are links in the description for you to do just that. And those of you who do that on a regular basis, I appreciate you. You help keep the lights on here at Next Level. So this first bonus point that I want to share with you is to commit to that first year. Just tell yourself, for the first year, no matter what happens, I'm going to stay committed. I'm going to keep doing what I got to do for that 1 year, no matter what. For that first year, you may not have anybody to show up viewing your content. So commit to that first year, then analytics, studying and growing along the way. And YouTube has really gotten slick these days. They're going to make you work a little bit. There's some certain things and certain secrets that they have that they're not telling us about. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here, coming up on the screen, YouTube secrets that they're not telling you about new features. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So go ahead and check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers, returning viewers. You are the life of the channels. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive. Till next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.